Good evening, children. So today we'll see the problems from exercise 10.1. Exercise 10.1 problems. Okay. Right. So the question is, and joker cap is in the form of a right circular cone. Cone. Okay, it's talking about cone, whose base radius is 7 centimeters. Radius is 7 centimeters, and height is 24 centimeters. H value is 24 centimeters, and here is asking about a cone, and the cone topic is nothing but they want to make joker caps. Okay, joker cap. Joker cap. Okay, and measurements as given. Find the area of the sheet required to make 10 such caps. How many caps we need actually? 10 caps we need actually to make. Actually it's a joker cap, am I right? So that means the person who keeps the cap, the base is not yet covered. That means we don't need a sheet to cover the base. If we cover the base, we can't keep the cap, am I right? So simple, we are talking here about only CSA, right? So now CSA of a cone. CSA of a cone formula pi RL. So I told you already from the diagram. Here it is H, it is height, here L. L is nothing but slant height, am I right? So here if you want to substitute L, so we have to know what is the L value. So I'll write here, we know that what we know is L square is equals to R square plus H square. L value is nothing but square root of R square plus H square. Yes, R value we know 7 square plus H value we know 24 square. 7 square I know 49 and 24 into 24. 24 into 24. 4 4 is 16, 1 carry, 2 4 is 8 plus 1 9, and it's 48. So 576 beta. So 576. So if you add total, that is square root of 25. So square root of 25 is nothing but 25. So L value 25 centimeters. So here we got it, L value has a 25 centimeters. Now try to substitute the values of here. Pi value 22 by 7 into R value 7, L value we know 25. And 7 get cancelled. 25 into 22. 25 into 22. Here 5 2 is 10, 1 carry, 11, and 4. So 550 centimeter square. But we need 10 caps, am I right? So CSA of 10 such caps are such 10 caps. Okay, so 10 into 550 centimeter square. So simple 5500 centimeter square, and we need a material. So therefore required material. So we required 5500 centimeter square of material to make such 10 caps. Okay. 10 such caps. I'll write here 10 such caps. Right. So what I did here, so first given measurements I have written, later whatever our requirement I find it, am I right? I found CSA. How did I decide it? Based on situation. Joker cap has no base, the base hasn't covered, so that means we are not using material to use the base, so that our required is CSA. I decided. So after that I have written the formula of CSA, and later I matched whether all values are given or not. So what did I understand? L hasn't mentioned in the question. So by using relation I found the value of L. Later I substituted out. Okay, so it's our first question, beta. Now we'll see the second question also. The second question is about a sports company was ordered to prepare 100 paper cylinders. Okay, we'll see. A sports company ordered, second question, a sports company ordered 100 cylinders to pack something. Okay. Yes. Okay. Let me finish the question. A sports company was ordered to prepare 100 paper cylinders for packing shuttlecock. To required diameter of the cylinder are 35 centimeters height. Yeah. So cylinder 35 centimeters height and radius is 7 centimeters. R value is 7 centimeters. Now we required find the required area of thick sheet to make 100 cylinders. Yeah, just find. Just imagine it's a box. It's a material. Now we are putting the cork in the shape of cones. Am I right? Okay. But after arranging corks in the packing air cover, so we need top should be covered, and at the same time top should be covered, and at the same time bottom also should be covered. Otherwise the shuttlecock will fall down. Am I right? So here we are not at all talking. We are talking about CSA. We should find CSA, plus we should know about the top, plus we should know about the base also. So overall sum of these all can be called it as a TSA. Okay. So the shape is cylinder. So now I can write TSA of a cylinder. TSA of a cylinder formula 2 pi r into r plus h. 2 pi r into r plus h. So r value has given, h value also given. Okay. So 2 into pi value 22 by 7 into r value 7 into 7 plus h value 35. So 7 ones are 7 ones are cancelled. So 2 into 22 into 42. 35 plus 7, 42. So here I'll find 42 only. Yeah. So 44 into 42. So 42 into 44 beta. 4 2s are 8, 4 4s are 16. Again same with multiplying 4 only. So 8, 14, 8, 1. So here I write 1848 centimeter square. Correct? But it is a TSA of 1. TSA of a cylinder. Of a in the sense it's talking about only one. Correct? But what does he asking? So now therefore TSA of 100 such a cylinders, same size cylinders if you want to make. So I'll write 100 into 1848 centimeter square, simple. So 184800 centimeter square. If you want to separate, so 1,84,800 centimeter square of material we require to make such a 100 cylinders to pack shuttlecocks. Okay, right? Can I write? Yeah, we'll see the third problem now. Yeah. Find the volume of a right circular cone with a radius 6 centimeters and height. Okay. So it's about a cone beta. Is asking to find the volume.
Okay, value, and what is given?
He's mentioned that radius means small r is equal to 6 centimeters
And height 7.
7 centimeters,
And asking us to find the value.
Volume of a cone formula 1 by 3 pi r square h. So 1 by 3 pi value we know is 22 by 7. R value actually r square 2 times 6 into 6 h 7, correct? Right, 7 and 7 get cancelled. 3 ones are 3 twos are. Simple, I'll write 22 twos 44 into 6. Answer 256. Wait. 24 4 2, yeah, 264, right? Sorry, 264 centimeter square.
What is 264 centimeter square? That is volume of the cone.
So volume of the cone is nothing but beta, it is the capacity of the cone. Volume is nothing but capacity. So sometimes is asking what is the storage capacity of the cone. So wherever you find the word storage and capacity, so that is also related to volume only. Okay, right? We'll see the fourth question here. Yeah, the fourth question is
about the lateral surface area of a cylinder.
Fourth question beta, lateral surface area of a cylinder
is equals to
CSA of a cone is equals to CSA of a cone
is equals to CSA of a cone. If their bases to be same, find the ratio of the height and the slant height.
Find the ratio of height and slant. So we are going to find the ratio of H is to L. Okay. So LSA is nothing but cylinder also curved face. So it is nothing but CSA. Okay. LSA, CSA both will be same.
So what is the formula for that?
CSA of a cone formula 2 pi r h, and here cone formula just before we done, that is pi r l. So pi and pi get cancelled. Yes.
And what does he say? Radius of the base. Yeah, base of the radius also same.
Okay. So r and r also same. So here I write 2h is equals to l. Okay. So just to look at here, just example. So ratio we can express in three forms. One is fractional form, one is ratio form, one more verbal form. For example, fractional form means I can write a by b. If you want to express with the symbol a is to b, so here we'll write a is to b, r will write a to b. So it is verbal form. Verbal means we use the words. Here we directly use the symbol of ratio, and here we have written fractional form. Correct? So now we have to find h is to l. So that is nothing but h by l. Correct? If you want to get it here, so h by l, 2h by l is equals to here nothing, 1. Correct? Later h by l is equals to 1 by 2. Simple, if you write h is to l is equals to answer 1 is to 2. Correct? Yeah, it's right. Absolutely, it's right. Okay.
And look at the fifth question, ma. A self help group wants to manufacture joker cap with 3 centimeters radius, 4 centimeters height.
Yeah. Three centimeters radius and 4 centimeters height.
What is that?
It is a joker cap. So as we know, joker cap is nothing but it's about cone. and the measurements are radius is 3 centimeters, height is 4 centimeters.
I'll cross check. Yeah, 3 centimeters radius and 4 centimeters height. If the available paper sheet is
material, we have a material also now. The material is 1000 centimeters square. We had a material with us.
now tell me how many caps can be manufactured from the paper material, whatever material we had. Okay,
I want to clear it again. Joker cap has no base. That means to make the base we won't use any material. So simply this we can call it as a CSA, curved surface area, and that's only lateral surface area. Correct? Simple, I can write a CSA of a cone formula pi RL. So here we have R and H, but we don't know L. Correct? So simply here I'll write we know that L square is equals to R square plus H square. So L is equal to square root of R square plus H square. So is equals to R value 3 square, H value 4 square. So 3 square is nothing but 9, 4 square is nothing but 16. Both answer is square root of 25, that is nothing but 5 centimeters. Right? Now write pi value.
In the hint he's mentioned that okay, no.
So pi value has, we can take 3.14 or 22 by 7, as per your wish. 22 by 7 and R value 3 and L value 25. 66 into 25 by 7.
Okay, right.
H value 5 only. Sorry. 5, not 25. 15. 5. Yeah, 15, 66. 90, 90. 990. 16 5 is a 90. 60, 30. Yes, 90, 90. Simple 990 by 7. It's nothing but 7990. 7 1s are 7, 2 9. 7 4s are 28. 10. 10. 7 1s 7. 3. Already point 34.
So the cap we can write it as
3 5 is 15. Sorry. Look at here. 22. 22. 3 is 15. 15. 60. 690. Here by 7 I'll write okay. So 22, 3 5 is 15 units. Okay. So 15 into 22 I'll write it as a 30, 30. So overall 330. Correct? So 330 again we are dividing into 7. 7 4s are 28. 7 4s are 28. How much left? 50. 7 7s are 49. Take decimal 1 0 1.
so simply I can write
47.1. If you want to go with one more decimal, 34. 14 centimeter square. Correct? It is for a CSA. It's for one cap. That means it is a material required for only for one cap. Now we have a material that is 1000 centimeter square. So how many 47.14 can make from 1000? Okay.
so how many pairs can we make?
We have to look at it. So I'll write here number of caps is equals to overall material we have 1000 and material for one cap is 47.14.
Then how do we do?
try to can cancel by yeah 1000 into, if you remove the decimal we'll get 100, two more zeros because after decimal we have a 2 digits. So simply I can write a 4714. Yes, simple. Overall we have a 5 zeros. Am I right? Correct? Right. Right, beta. 4714. 1 2 3 4 5 zeros. If you take nearly 2 times, because 4 2s are 8. If you take 4 3s are, we'll get a 12 directly. Correct? So we can take 4 2s are 8. 4714 into 2. It's a 28. 14 2s are 28. 2 7s are 14. 1 9. Correct? So 9 4 2 8. And if you take barrows from all, become 9 9 9, and last one will can take 10. 2 7 5. It's completely 0. And take one more digit. 5720. Right? 5720 already 4000. So we can take 1. So we'll write a 4714. So 20 minus 14 we can write it as 6. And here we can get 10. If we take decimal, we'll get 0. So it's almost 10,000. So we have 4,000. So we can take a 2. Correct? Yes. So approximately 21.2 something. Okay. It's our approximate value. So what I want to do here, before decimal it represent about whole. Correct? So we can make 21 perfect joker caps. After that, a little quantity of material will be left. Okay, that's our conclusion. So number of caps, how many caps can we make? 21 perfect caps we can make from the material, and some of the material will be left with us. Okay, and if you look at sixth question now, a cylinder and cone have the bases of equal radii and equal height. Good. A cylinder and cone. Yeah. Cone and a cylinder have equal radii. Radii in the sense it's a plural form of radius. Okay. So radius are same. Okay. And equal heights also. Height h also same. Yeah, h also same. So that's why I'm writing same r, same h. And now find the ratios of their volumes. Find the ratios of the volumes and show that the ratio is 3:1. Okay. So volume of the cone is 1/3 pi r square h. And here volume of the cylinder is just pi r square h. Okay. Now ratios, if you want to find. Ratios I told you already is said that he said that ratio of the cone is to, that means is asking about the volume of the cone is to volume of the cylinder. Okay, so simply if I want to express in a division fractional form, volume of a cone by volume of cylinder. So here we can write a 1/3 pi r square h by volume of cylinder. I can write a pi r square h. H same because heights are same. R square same because radius also same. Pi same because constant. Okay, so only 1/3 is left. 1/3 is nothing but 1:3. Okay. Now look at here. He is asking to show the cylinder ratio. Cylinder and cone ratio is 3:1. So here the 3 belongs to cylinder, the 1 belongs to cone. Am I right? Look at, cylinder belongs to 3, correct? The cone belongs to 1. Correct only now? Yes, it is 3:1.
Seventh problem beta. The shape of a solid iron rod is in a cylindrical form. Its height.
It is a cylinder. Okay. Height 11 centimeters.
Height 11 centimeters. Base diameter
Is 7 centimeters.
Then find the total volume of such 50 rods. 50 such rods. Okay.
Now find the volume, right? So volume of a cylinder, formula pi r square h. Okay. So we have h directly, no issue. We have no r. So from diameter r we can write it as a d by 2. So simply I'll write a 7 by 2 centimeters. I'm not going to write a decimal form. Simply 7 by 2. Right. Now 22 by 7. R value 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. H value 11. 7 7 get cancelled. 2 ones 2 11 times. So what left here? Here 11 11. 11 sevens are 77 into 11 by 2. If you multiply both, 77 11. 7 7 again 7 7. 7 14 8. 847 by 2. It is value, no, centimeter cube. It is the area. Okay, don't make simplify again. Okay, we'll see why. Because now volume of how many? Volume of 50 such rods. So is equals to, I'll write 50 into this number, 847 by 2. So 2 ones are 225 times.
So 847 into 25.
847 into 25. So 5 sevens are 35, 3 carry. 20 plus 3, 23. 2 carry. 40 plus 2, 42. Right. 2 sevens are 14, 1 carry. 8 plus 1, 9. It is 16. So 5, 7, 11, 1, 1. So simply I write 21,175 centimeter cube. Why should I write cube? Because it's a value. Okay. So this is our required problem. And you people got doubt why I left this one as a fractional form. Because we knows again we should find 50 rods. I denominator 2. 2 and 50 get cancelled. So we can make simplify. I thought we can make simplify. And here also I left the 7 by 2 as it is. Because when you write 7 by 2, the 2 cancel with the 22. Because pi value 22 by 7. The 2 and 22 get cancelled and 7 and 7 get cancelled. So that I haven't mentioned into decimal form. Okay. I hope you understand. Thank you very much, and practice the rest of the problems. Thank you. Have a nice day.